Hello phonics fans, welcome to Game Zone with Fiona Phonics. That's me. In today's lesson, we will do a quick review of the vowels A and I and the consonants S, T, P, and N. Then we'll head on over to our Game Zone, where we will practice our new literacy skills. So far, the short vowels that we've learned are A and I. A says A, like apple, ant, alligator. The short I says I, like igloo, insect, ill. The consonants that we've learned so far are S, T, P, N. The letter S says S, like in sad, snake, sun. The letter T says T, like table, tiger, talk. The letter P says P, like in pig, penguin, plant. The letter N says N, like net, needle, nest. Now that we remember these vowels and consonants, let's head into the Game Zone. Your challenge today is to use all of these new letters to make new words. Here we have two letters. A says A, T says T. Now let's blend the two sounds together. At. At. We just made the word at. Okay, friends, you're ready. Let's begin. First, sound out the letters. A, Does anyone know what it is? It's N. All right, now let's sound out a new word. The letters say I, N. What is it? It's in. Well done. Now I'm going to use the letters P, A, and T. First, sound them out on your own. Did you say P, A, T? P, A, T. What's the word? It's pat. Here's another one. T, A, N. Say T, A, N. T, A, N. T, A. What's the word? It's tan. Look at that cute unicorn getting a tan. Okay, phonics friends, let's do something a little bit different. Here is a picture of a water tap. How do you spell tap? Here, I'll write down some letters on my whiteboard to help you. Here are the letters A, P, and T. What letter comes first in the word tap? The letter T. What's the next letter? You're so smart. It's the letter A. T, A. So then what's the last letter? Yeah, it has to be P for T, A, P, tap. Now what if we change the letter T in the word tap to a different letter? What if we put S or S in front? We already know that the letters A, P together make the ap sound, like in tap. So if we put a S in front, it says S-ap. Sap, like tree sap. Let's do another one. Remember, A and P say ap when they're together. So what happens when we add N or N to the beginning of this word? Let's sound it out together. N-ap. N-ap. What's the mystery word? You guessed it, it's nap. Oh, look at that little napping sloth. So sleepy. Now what if we swap out the A for an I? So instead of n-ap, it says n-ip. What does it say now? It says nip. Hey cat, stop nipping on that dog's tail. I don't know about you, but my brain hurts. We learned so much today. That was a job well done. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn together. See you next time.